At Auto Boutique and Twins, we believe customers deserve clear, honest, and transparent pricing. That commitment is part of how we operate and one of the reasons we continue to earn customer trust and recognition. This training is meant to give you the knowledge behind our pricing structure so you can have intelligent, confident, and natural conversations with customers. This is not meant to be memorized word for word. Your actual conversation with a customer should always be fluid, situational, and based on the question being asked. Our website pricing will differ from third-party pricing. Our dealership websites will display a price that includes applicable dealer fees, and in Florida will also include the electronic filing fee. Third-party sites will show a lower amount because those platforms do not currently give us control over pricing display and disclosures that we have on our own websites. For Ohio, Texas, and Michigan, the third-party price will be lower than our website price by the dealer documentation fee. In Florida, the third-party price will be lower by the dealer documentation fee and the electronic filing fee. These fees are disclosed on our websites as part of our effort to be more transparent with customers. So what is a dealer documentation fee? A dealer documentation fee is a standard fee charged on every transaction to help cover the real costs of processing, reviewing, storing, protecting, and properly completing vehicle paperwork. That includes document preparation, title and registration paperwork, lender and state-required documents, compliance-related handling, physical and electronic storage, and systems used to protect private customer information. In every store, the dealer documentation fee is intended to help cover not just paperwork, but also the broader expense of handling the transaction accurately, compliantly, and securely. Florida also has a separate electronic filing fee. That fee relates more specifically to the actual electronic movement, filing, transmission, and protection of customer information through digital systems. From the first inquiry to credit applications to electronic signatures, lender submissions, funding, and digital record handling, private consumer data moves through multiple electronic channels. In Florida, there is a separate fee tied more directly to that electronic process. Customers may sometimes ask, is that fee a dealership profit? The short answer is that it can be, depending on how much is actually spent on the industry's best equipment, systems, protections, insurance, storage, compliance processes, and security measures for handling and protecting customer information. If there is money left over after covering those actual expenses, that would be profit. If the actual expense exceeds what is collected, that would be a loss. The purpose of these fees is to help cover the real cost of doing this work properly and securely. When speaking with customers, do not feel like you need to give a long, technical explanation unless the conversation calls for it. The goal is to understand the reason behind the fee well enough to answer clearly, confidently, and professionally. If a customer asks why the website price differs from a third-party site, the answer is simple. Our websites allow us to present these items more clearly, while third-party sites do not currently offer the same level of display and disclosure flexibility. Transparency is not just something we say, it is part of how we do business. We want customers to understand what they are paying, why they are paying it, and to know that we are committed to handling their transactions openly, professionally, and securely. This training is for understanding, not memorization. Answer naturally. Keep it simple unless the customer wants more detail. Explain the fee confidently. Explain that our website includes clearer disclosures, and avoid sounding defensive.